Because I remember what I have promised to you that I will buy a SIM card. But unfortunately, there is not available. And you promised me
Reb.
maybe tomorrow.
Reb.
No. But I try my best.
Reb.
Because in Islam, if you promise, you have to fulfill your promise. So I'm very sorry to tell you. But inshallah, if they have available safeguard against Japan, I will buy it. And I will give it as a gift to it. Inshallah. For Allah.
I hope it is sweet.
So I will just call my colleague. Huh? So he will be the one who will teach you. Because it is very, because it makes my day, tough day. I will speak in English,
Thank you.
Miss Ganda. Miss Ganda.
make my
Si Chris.
sister, sister, na yan.
Lagi nagdi-deliver. Asipag mag-deliver ng ano natin.
Ano na yan? Kumbaga sa ano, waligman na yan.
Napalakas yung tawa ko.
Alhamdulillah, yan ay isang salaha. Alhamdulillah, sa Allah. Allah ay kumatikan. Kailangan lang na.
Sasagay na talaga tayo.
Meron sa akin doon po. Ayun siya.